Me, communication is the way people share their thoughts, feelings, and ideas with others. It helps people understand each other through speaking, listening, writing, or even simple actions. Communication is very important in my life and in my course because it helps us work better with other people. As a future civil engineer, I need good communication to understand instructions, share ideas, and avoid mistakes in projects. Communication also helps build good relationships with classmates, teachers, and other people. There is no communication, people will not understand each other. There may be confusion, misunderstandings, and problems in school, work, and even in families and friendships. Without communication, it will be hard for people to cooperate and solve problems together. The quote, "How well we communicate is not determined by how well we say things, but how well we are understood," means that communication is successful when people clearly understand the message. Even if we speak well, it is not effective if others do not understand us. That is why we should communicate clearly, honestly, and respectfully.
Audio Jungle.